Purchase your tracks today.
Now you know. Landfill.
They sick Sicilian, where is he from? Dumb, I saw him in the building. Bitches catch a feeling, dancing on the ceiling, on the thumb. Jeans with the John. Mr. Lee, catch a 33, we smoking trees. Nigga better be Bumblebee. Now you see, now you don't. Rhyme with some whack shit. No, we won't. Y'all niggas still on that crack shit. Young C, fail them clips, hit him on the hips, flip, rip, think no shit, bitch. Double hit the switch, Mr. Lewis Lane. Insane Bane, Mr. Wayne, Batman. It's all Batman shit. Better set, it's sad man, old rat man. Yes we can. Look where that fucked up slogan got us, man. Crack man. You would say today fat man with a plume on it. Young niggas, hands on the trigger. Dumb niggas, can't you see how they run niggas? Amigos, no KarlLagerfeld. Carl lead the way as Chico. KarlLagerfeld, how he felt. This skin is so poor, well, that's why Juice run it so well. Casino fuck Gino plus what he know. If you don't believe me, ask Mo, he will tell you the same thing. That shit is so low, so lame, like a hoe. Get pimped by the dough, act like nothing wrong. When you come around like yo-yo, start frontin', bro. Back to the building, big dough. Call my nigga Mo, say no more. Freak out the 8 bricks, 8 shows. Nigga lay low, sneak out girl, this is fellow. Got ass like J-Lo, Picasso Vancouver shows. No loser, young drug abuser, but you can call me the Sicilian amuser. Ha!
Purchase your tracks today.
Now you know. Landfill.